I've decided to film an impromptu eyebrow routine. Let's see how this will go. Let's just jump straight into it. I am using this brow pencil from Primark and it is in the shade dark brown. So as you can see, my brows are like, I'm not gonna lie, they're really nicely shaped. I do them myself or whatever. And the key to having good brows is making sure your actual like eyebrow hairs, like your actual brow hairs are shaped nicely, because then it's just a matter of tracing over the shape, filling it in. Obviously if you don't have great brows, your brows are really sparse, you can still just draw it on like the same way, it will still look the same. So I start off with a nice sharp pencil and I start by lining the bottom. And then I line the top. And then I fill it in. And then I grab a spoolie and I brush the brow hairs in place, and then I fade out the front of my brow. I like really brush it out. And don't worry about the front, we're going to conceal all of that away, honey, trust me. Cool. Now that is done, I go in with some brow gel. Now this is not brow gel, but I call it brow gel. This is literally a coloured mascara by Collection. This is like a drugstore UK brand, and it's a brown actually. Obviously a lighter brown than my brows or whatever. And I just brush that there. It tints it a little bit, but like not too much. Me personally, I have always lived for dark brows. I know some people like a lighter brow, but I've always just thought dark brows are so sexy. So that's what I do. Okay, so to conceal, I am using the Revolution Conceal and Define, the super size 1, in the shade C13.5, and I'm just gonna grab a brush and start to conceal my brows. If you want like a really nice clean brow, then the best tip is to use like a lot of concealer. Like if you don't pick up enough concealer on your brush, you'll find out when you're like doing all of this, it's just not going to be as clean. And then you can just put a little bit underneath as such, and then a little bit around here to blend that out. Obviously I do both my brows at the same time usually, so I would also be blending this side, but yeah. And then I grab my concealer brush and I blend the concealer. Blend it up here too. And I'll blend like here. As you notice, I don't conceal the top of my brow because I do base before brows and all of that. The top of my brow is already very clean, so I don't need to conceal anything. But obviously if you do still want to do that extra step, feel free. But me personally, I don't like to. It's just extra while. I don't have time for all of that. So this is how I do my brows, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and be back to show you guys the finished result. And this is the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So again, these are the finished brows. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hit the subscribe button for my YouTube, hit the follow button for my Instagram and all of that. Deuces.